Welcome back. If you turn on your affiliate program in order to set up for your product to be promoted by affiliates, you're going to need to fill in some information. And here you're going to give the potential JVs or affiliates some information about the product. Now this space, you only have 512 characters available. In order to communicate the bulk of the information for your JVs, you're going to want to use a web page. And that web page you're going to place here in this area, and it's going to be your program details URL. Now it doesn't have to be a web page. In some cases, a vendor will place information on a Google shared document. And for the sake of this video, we're going to place in a web page URL. You're going to want to put in your affiliate contact email, and this will be so that affiliates can contact you through your affiliate signed up page. And your affiliate will be able to click this link in order to contact you through the email that you set up. Now this field will not be one where you can enter the email. You are going to want to have your emails already set up through your profile area. Now you can make it so that when your affiliate applies, they can automatically be added to an email marketing list so that you can keep in contact with your affiliates. And to do that, you're going to click this new connection button. And then you're going to select a service that you already have set up in order to do that. Now for the sake of this video, we have already connected GetResponse and MailChimp to our WarriorPlus account. Now if you haven't done that previously, you are going to need to make sure that you have integrated your autoresponder to your WarriorPlus account. And because our MailChimp account is integrated, WarriorPlus can look inside of our MailChimp account to look at the list that we have already set up. And we can look at that integration and select an existing list from our MailChimp account and then click Save. What you can now do is you can set up the WarriorPlus Affiliate Program Accelerator. And what will happen is that WarriorPlus will then provide visibility for your affiliate program so that affiliates that are looking for a product to promote will see your program. Now, if the individual uses that WarriorPlus connection, WarriorPlus will receive a 15% commission on the sales made by the individuals that they refer to your program. Now, you could reach the point at which you do not want to have any new requests for your affiliate program. If that's the case, what you can do is you can go into your program without turning the affiliate program off and then disallow new requests. Now, generally by default, you're going to have this button toggled on. And once you've completed this, you can click Create, and then your offer will then be ready. Once you click Create, that's like clicking Save, and you will then see this screen. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.